100 English words that start with H. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hey, Myra. Ready for another English adventure?
Always, Mike. What's the letter of the day?
Today, it's the letter H. 100 helpful words.
Ooh, H is for happy, helpful, and hardworking learners.
That's right. Just listen, repeat, and speak with us.
Let's learn together, one word at a time.
Listen and repeat.
Habit,
Habit,
hair,
hair,
half,
half,
hall,
whole,
hand,
hand,
handle,
handle,
handsome,
handsome,
hang,
hang,
happen,
happen,
happy.
happy.
You're doing amazing already.
Let's keep going.
Hard,
Hard,
hardly,
hardly,
harm,
harm,
hat,
hat,
hate,
hate,
have,
have,
he,
he,
head,
head,
health,
health,
healthy,
healthy.
nice and steady.
Repeat each word clearly.
Here,
Here,
heart,
heart,
heat,
heat,
heaven,
heaven,
heavy,
heavy,
height,
height,
helicopter,
helicopter,
hello,
hello,
help,
help,
helpful.
helpful.
You're doing great. Let's keep the energy up.
Speak along with us. Don't stop.
Hen,
Hen,
hero,
hero,
hide,
hide,
hers,
hers,
high,
high,
hill,
hill,
him,
him,
himself,
himself,
higher,
higher,
his.
his.
Halfway there, superstar.
Let's keep learning together.
History,
History,
hit,
hit,
hobby,
hobby,
hold,
hold,
whole,
whole,
holiday,
holiday,
home,
home,
honest,
honest,
honey,
honey,
honor,
honor. Just 30 more to go. Don't stop now.
you've got this. Hope,
Hope,
horse,
horse,
hospital,
hospital,
host,
host,
hot,
hot,
hotel,
hotel,
hour,
hour,
house,
house,
how,
how.
however.
However,
You're almost at the finish line.
let's complete this journey together.
Huge,
Huge,
human,
human,
humble,
humble,
humor,
humor,
100,
100,
hungry,
hungry,
hunt,
hunt,
hurry,
hurry,
hurt,
hurt,
husband.
husband. That's it. 100 H words complete.
You did such a fantastic job.
Keep repeating and practicing.
And remember, your voice is your power.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For daily English practice and fun lessons.
You're learning something new.
And we're proud of you.